Morning students. IIT is one of the most renowned institution across the globe, and entrance exam for its no cakewalk for everyone. And apart from being determined and working hard, students take multiple tuitions, extra classes to make it to to face this exam. But do you think what about those students who can't afford to pay these expenses for coaching? There are many stories I used to hear, and though they have those few students who did not have a luxury to spend a lot on their education, yet they made top by sheer work, hard work. See, you have heard one person by name Priyesh Goyal, who studied in jail for 2 years. A murder convict son who studied in jail and secured 453 rank in JEE. For 2 years he is prepared for engineering entrance on an open jail in Kota, where his father was convicted. His room barely 8 by 8 feet, where a light went out at 11 night. There was not much money to spend the book, and with this he stayed and cleared the IIT. There is another student by name Abhishek who has come from very lagging and poor family and lived in a slums area in Kanpur. His father used to mend shoes and mother stitches cloth in to earn their livelihood. And this fellow, being the eldest one of the family, also had 3 youngest brothers to support. It's very difficult. He used to work in the daytime and studied 5 to 6 hours at night. After feeding the whole family, his parents got him a study material with whatever they were left with. In fact, 2010, he cracked JEE and got admission in IIT Kanpur by studying in his own without any external help. And another boy, I think, Arbas Alam, son of an exceller who made it very big. He cracked IIT JEE Advanced on 2017, confirming his place is one of the 23rd IITs. His father sells egg in BR. He is the one, he also got the thing without any external coaching, and used to get the doubts, clearing the doubts with the friends, and whatever the book you have available, all that. And the school or college, there are a few teachers. Sincerely, they helped him. With that minimum help, he had made such a very big thing with hard determination. And Gaurav Soni, that boy, is an average student, switched from school in Hindi medium to English medium, and it is very language. He is finding very difficult in languages. And but in that there was one coaching center, Resonance Coaching Center in Kota. There used to look after the cycle stand and all that. And a few notes from those friends. With that, without attending any classes, he has got in IIT Roorkee. See, only with the study materials, and these students prove that there is nothing that can stop you from realizing your dream if you are determined to do anything and everything you need to. See, not only this, in Karnataka, in our college, many of the students, they have gone and they have taken. And mainly what we observed is, many students who are offered to pay, they are attending. There are a lot of poor students who are not paid, they cannot. But they are very brilliant. They are ready to do it because the resources are not available. It was a long dream. And in fact, the idea can career guidance and placement cell of Vijaya College. In fact, it is inspired by our principal H.S. Balakrishna, and mathematics department HOD Dr. Radhakrishna, and our head of the department Dr. Govind, Dr. Suresh, and many of our teachers, like especially Srikanta from the chemistry department, Dr. Mahesh, Dr. Jai Kumar, and many of them. They have started together. They used to help in for different students for many years. But in order to make we didn't have a proper accounting on that. Therefore, we want to update that everything, all the work, and we want to have a permanent solution for this. Therefore, they have chosen a compiler among ourselves, and we had a program like each one teach one, like interrelated subject. I can learn and go and learn chemistry, and other teacher can learn mathematics, physics. Like that, we didn't have any differentiation in order to help our own childrens. Not only that, our children in the sense our students of our college. Not only that, student is a common factor, and all the anywhere. Not in the beginning, students were sending through WhatsApp, and lot of problems we used to collect it. We have to record it, upload it, and I kept it separately. Now it is better to upload it in the this one YouTube itself, so that not only this state, other state from Andhra and Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, given from the West Bengal, some West Bengal and Uttar Pradesh, different places they were asking, and they asked us to teach in Hindi also. It's very difficult. Therefore, totally for NEET exams, more than 25 so far we have uploaded. It is getting a very, that too, whatever the doubts they are asking, there we are clearing it and giving small introductions. And even for this IIT JEE and other entrance exams, all this like advanced IIT main and advanced exams, and Birla Institute of Technology, ComEd, all that, and whatever the doubts which is collectively it comes to the career guidance and placement department. There we all will sit together, we'll plan, and they will train me and other teachers so that to how to upload and all that. Therefore, whatever now my responsibility is what I have to upload, whatever they teach and whatever I know, and these videos, whatever we have done so far, around 150 videos, and we have decided to upload 1,000 videos per subject, and maybe 10,000 videos per subject. It will be a continuous process, not only help for the economically and academically weaker section of the students, children's all over our country. Our management is so particular in what making a strong India, right, in Indian youth, so that every knowledge youth is important. Therefore, all are highly educated and academicians, and there are highly philanthropic view they've mooted. With that, we have done already lot of videos. Now, in fact, this is a small introduction. Not only our college teachers, retired teachers also participating. Major Shopanatakar, he has helped a lot of things in chemistry, and Dr. Chilale, he has helped in statistics. Even some commerce topic we have already started, and different topics, and some IAS, IPS exams, Union Public Service Commissions, Karnataka Public Service Commission, all these exams, other things also, we are doing it as it on that. It is gradually going to crystallize, it is going to become a big crystal, and gradually it is going. We want you to encourage, though it is not highly professionals, like big industries are putting a lot of money and making more attractive. See whether you learn, you drink a coffee in a main road, or hotel, or AC room, or a star hotel, content of coffee is same. We are giving the content of the thing, and wherever, the only thing is what you have to face it. And it does not college matters where you get the learn from. You learn anything, anywhere, whichever the good you learn, and you propagate. Then whatever each one teach one, that is a program. Each one teach one. Therefore, whatever the information I am giving through our college, and it is only I am taking help from all the teachers I learn, and whatever I learn I will teach. It may not be up to their mark, but it is something is better than nothing. That's all you have to take it. And any type of corrections, some mistakes we have to omit and all that. Okay, this will be maybe already we have uploaded a lot, and in the middle, some of the teachers they say, why can't you do all the exams? Okay, we are doing it. We'll try to do the maximum in the corona, period, coronavirus. The period it has really helped. I have to thank this corona virus in that way, because otherwise this program would not have come at all. In fact, not only it is cutting across the states, and 2 students they have asked from Australia and London for some of the problems to solve. All the things are really good, and it has to expand globally. As long as mathematics, physics, chemistry subjects and all, there is no boundaries for that. Teaching is the profession which teaches all the professions. Therefore, anyone can teach if you have the aptitude of teaching. Subject is immaterial. That's all Dr. Atre used to say for me. Atre, our Superman we call, is our Dean and Secretary of our BHS management. In fact, he is a inspiring spirit for almost all teachers, and under their blessing we are doing this. And today I am continuing that class which I left, that area under the curve. First part I have done, and the second part I will do it. And I have to thank Dr. Radhakrishna for the academic guidance for this topic. Now, see, what is the straight line? See, if I write this diagram, see, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. This is a line intercepting, this is called y-intercept, right? Now, P is some point, x comma y. It is passing through, theta is some angle, the line making an angle. And what is tan theta? Tan theta is what? Slope of the line, that inclination. And how to recognize the equation? The equation is equal to y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. Suppose I write y is equal to 3x plus 2. What do you mean by this? How to represent this? 2 divisions. 2, this is 2, right? I'll write root 3x. Then what is it? Slope is what? Slope is root 3. But slope is tan theta is equal to root 3. That is what? Theta should be what? 60 degrees, is it not? This is 60 degree. Now, see, what do you mean by this? This family of curves. Y is equal to mx plus c. Here y is equal to mx. C is not there. 0. Y is equal to mx minus c. So example, y is equal to 3x plus 4. This will be 4. This is y is equal to 2x. Slope is 2. Here y is equal to 5x minus 7. That means minus 7 is like this. This is the way. Now, what is this? Now I did a circle. This is a circle. Okay. What is O is the center, R is the radius, and R is the radius. What is the equation of a circle? X square plus y square is equal to R square. Sometimes R is replaced by A. Therefore, x square plus y square is equal to A square. This is a circle. Now, think about this. This is a circle, and a line is passing through this. Now, this is y is equal to 4x, say. Y is equal to 4x. This is a circle. X square plus y square is equal to 16. X square is equal to 16. That means what? X square plus y square is equal to 4 square. Then what is the radius of this? 4. The radius of this is what? 4. Okay. Now, your slope is y is equal to 4x. They may ask you to what is the area. They find area between area in the first quadrant. This is the line between the line and the circle in the first quadrant. Outright area. Another thing is what? This is a parabola. This is also a parabola, it is inverse. And this is a parabola, this is also a parabola. You know what is the equation of parabola? Y square is equal to 4ax. How to write the diagram for this? This is a parabola, right? Y square is equal to, if this is a, this will be 2 times a. I have not the diagram properly. See, actually you have to write like this. If it is a, this will be 2 times a. If it is a, this is 2 times a. The real parabola looks like this. Okay. Now, this is just an introduction. All are introductions only. Now this is the parabola, the rough diagram. This is the origin. A line is passing through the origin. Right? They will ask you to find out this area. Or they will ask you to find out only this area of a triangle. Okay? And suppose this is the possibilities. The curve, what is it? This is the curve. And the line goes like this. This is what y is equal to 4x plus 3. 3 means 1, 2, 3. This is 3. Y is equal to. Slope is y is equal to mx plus c. And this is called y square is equal to 16 or 32x square. The y square is, sorry. Here, remember, the curve is what? Y square is equal to 4ax. This is y square is equal to minus 4ax. Then what about this? This is x square is equal to 4ay. This is, what is this curve? What is this curve? X square is equal to 4ay means about say 16y. I'll write it. 16y. Now this is what? X square is equal to minus 4ay. Now they may ask you to find what is this area. What is this area also they'll ask you. Where are these will be used? See, you want to find the, in chemistry you come call S orbitals. What is that? This is px orbital, py orbital, pz orbital. There you have to find out the area. In quantum mechanics it will be used. And there are a lot of applications. This area onto the curve. And suppose ellipse. How to find out the area of the ellipse. How to area of the circle. And how to find the area between the two curves. And 2 circles. How to find the area between these two. Like a different formation we are going to do this. For that, what you have to do is, I'll start the simple thing. Here, y square is equal to 4ax. How it looks? See, if this is a, this is 2 times a. That is 2 times a. This is a, this is 2 times a. It's called parabola. This particular point is S. S is called focus. It's called focus. Focus is a comma 0. A line passes through the focus. This is called vertex. 0 comma 0 vertex. X axis and y axis. And if this is a, this will be 2 times a. Can you follow? Now, this is L and L dash I'll write. What is L dash? This is called lattice rectum. Lattice rectum. If this is A, this will be 2 times A. If this is A, this is 2 times A. Now I write x square is equal to y over 12. See, y square is equal to 12x. Below that you write y square is equal to 4ax. If you compare 4a equal to 12. Therefore, a is equal to 12 by 4. 3. Therefore, what is here? What is a here? S is equal to a is what? 3, is it not? That is 3 comma 0. This will be double. This is 3 comma 2 times a is 6. This is what? 3 comma minus 6. It's coming below, right? Therefore, what is the coordinate of vertex? Vertex A is what? 0 comma 0. Ends of the lattice rectum is what? Plus A plus or minus 2A. That is L is equal to 3 plus or minus 6. Now they may ask you to find, this is what? This is the line, which is it's always constant, is it not? The line is always constant. What is A? That means x is always a. That means x is always 3. Now they may ask you to draw formulate a problem, right? Y square is equal to 12x and x equal to 3. Understood? Or sometime x equal to 2 or x equal to 4, like this. They may ask you to find this area. Find the area between the curve y square is equal to 12x and x equal to, this is one sum. See, idea is important, vertex. Find the area between the curve and the line y square is equal to 12x and x equal to 2. X equal to 2 means you have to find out this area. And x equal to 3 means you have to find this area. First you can develop the idea. And x is equal to 4 means this entire area you have to find out. Understood? Now some more complicated sum they may ask you. Suppose a circle I draw here. Find out this area. Area between what? X equal to 2 and x equal to 3 and the curve and the circle, this area. See, all this are IIT level, different so once you know the idea, you can do all the problems. I think whatever the set of problems we are going to start doing, that is only a small help. It will help you only 20%. Another 20% you have to read from the different textbooks and work out examples and watch a different video from and ask a lot of doubts from different teachers, send through WhatsApp, and after doing that you have to teach whatever you learn for others. That habit you cultivate. Once again, maybe it's the beginning. We have, for this class I have given a detailed talk, and another thing also I'll ask you to, whatever these videos, just you send for your friends. That is the only good thing which you are going to do it. You'll ask them to learn, because the big dana they call is what in education. When you educate a person, when you enlighten a person, you are enlightening their life. That is the only thing which you can do it, right? Anyway, once again I'm thanking my management, my principal H.S. Balakrishna, and my colleague and my HOD for giving this type of opportunity, right? It is a very grateful help and noble work which I am doing it. I am happily doing to do this. Thank you. Thanks once for all.